Hello guys, so for today's video, we will be having a road tour from Inamotan, Manaoag to Gerona Tarlac. So we will be visiting a goat farm there. The name of the goat farm is JSJ Goat Farming. So let's check it out later. And if you're still watching to this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the button, the notification bell for more updates for the upcoming videos, and don't forget to like and share. So welcome everybody, welcome new subscribers. Okay, so as you see, the weather is so nice. Actually, the temperature at this time when we on the road is around 32 degrees Celsius going to Tarlac. So from here we are entering Urdaneta city. So on the right side you will see the Urdaneta City National High School, and beside of this school is the city schools division of Urdaneta. So if you are driving in a motorcycle, don't forget to wear a jacket. So because it is really hot, it will burn your skin. So wear a jacket or any protective gear from the sun. So keep safe everybody while you are driving. And we are now here to the city proper of Urdaneta. So on the right side you will be seeing the Magic Mall, and on the left side their Bagsakan Market. So all fresh vegetables and fruits are being sold at low cost, but they are selling it for wholesale. Other vendors selling it for wholesale, but you will get it for at low cost. Watch with the upcoming videos, because we will be doing a video about this, about the prices, the different prices of the vegetables and fruits being sold here in Urdaneta Bagsakan Market. So watch out here.
Cocoa water or something plastic? It's a bottle.
city of Villasis, the municipality of Villasis. Villasis is also known for its cheaper vegetables and fruits. So it is just like Urdaneta, Bagsakan Market. So later, we will be showing to you the place where their market located. So on the right side, you can see the Villasis Town Hall. And after that, you can see now their market, Villasis Bagsakan Market. It's just the same as the Urdaneta Bagsakan Market. And now we are on the National Highway going to Carmen Rosales. And as you can see, there are mountains there. So it is a beautiful weather, a nice view, scenery. So at this part, there is actually traffic jam. And we are now in Carmen Rosales. Rosales is the end city of Pangasinan, the boundary of Pangasinan and Tarlac. So later, we will be showing to you the next city after Rosales, and that is the San Manuel, being part of Tarlac. So this is now the boundary of Pangasinan and Tarlac. So we are now entering Tarlac, San Manuel, Tarlac. So if you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe, put a comment in comment section, let me know what you're thinking, and please do like and share. This highway, you can see there is no really traffic here, and there are lots of trees along the highway, along the road, so you will not feel so hot. You have your shady, you will feel comfortable with the wind too. So as you see, there are no traffics. This is the province, this is the life in the province, so better to have vacation in the province. So if you want to have stress free from work, okay, so don't be scared to travel and have vacation, take a rest in the province. And after San Manuel, we are now entering Moncada Tarlac, and the road is under construction. So after few minutes of driving, we have a stopover to drink coconut water.
Yeah, coconut water. We will drink coconut water. This coconut water is the best water. Guys, after that I drink the coconut water under the heat. It comes really refreshing to your body. Especially there is grinded coconut inside the cup. After that you finishing the water, the coconut will come in your mouth, especially that will you eat also. And let's try that. Also, it is not expensive, 10 pesos I think. Overall it's the same, or maybe 5
Cup, 10 pesos per
10 pesos per cup. Try it, you will love it. It is healthy and cheap price. Don't miss this delicious water, coconut water. After taking rest little bit there, we drive forward. It's around 10 minutes away from the location, the goat farm, and after 10 minutes we are in the location. And especially the Honda Click, my motor 125E, I drive already 2 months long, and in the 2 months long I have no any problems with it. It's drive really good, and it is fast enough. So you cannot drive over 100, but to 89 I think it's the top speed. To that point they bring you really fast. Also for Filipino it is really okay for the streets. You don't need a faster bike. It's optimal. 125 is perfect for Filipino streets.
Okay, so after drinking coconut water in Moncada Plaza, we are now entering the Paniki Tarlac. They have their Walter Mart. We are almost there. After Paniki, it is Gerona Tarlac already. So stay tuned. touchdown. We already here in JSJ.
JSJ farm.
JSJ GOAT FARM.
Not only goat and sheep farm.
Our sheep.
But it's big. I think it before it is so small place, but there is many. Not room, but what's the place? What's the name of this building?
Oh, the houses for sheep and goats. I don't know the right term for the houses. So we took 1 hour, more than 1 hour in driving using this Honda Click 125i.
Yeah, but we don't drive fast. 50-55 kilometer per hour.
And we are on lunch break, so we need to wait until 1 o'clock.
Did you see the water there in the
Where?
entry?
Water. Yeah, no, there is water.
This is to don't bring the bacteries from outside to inside.
Hello.
France sheep.
Australia.
This is
Australia.
coming Australia.
Australia.
Dorper.
But original this is mixed in England. Dorper.
I don't know.
Because original half Persian, half African.
Ilang
No,
months itong mga to, kuya?
Pa?
Ilang months po itong mga to?
4 months.
4 months. Oh.
Oh, they are 4 months. Dorper, good meat. You eating? We buy goat milk. Give power. Try this for your health. There we are. GSG. Not GSG. JSJ Goat Farm. No, but it's not only goat, there is also sheep, and I will buy the sheep if Captain allowing it.
1 female, 1 male.
So guys, see you on next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like, push the like button.